In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the activity is over error on SHEIN shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this error is normally accompanied with this code 4004, and if you're experiencing this, then most likely SHEIN app might have experienced a glitch you need to fix. To fix this, go to settings. From settings, look for apps or all apps and look for manage apps or still all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for SHEIN, and if you tap on it, now here go to for stop app and okay, clear data and clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, start your smartphone, and you want to ensure that you're not using any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your smartphone. Still, you want to check through Google Play Store or App Store, and if there is any update, update your app to the latest version. Once you are done, now if you open your SHEIN app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if this does not fix your problem, then try using SHEIN web version to see if that works. However, if the web-based version does not work, then most likely SHEIN might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now, if you log into your SHEIN shopping app, everything should be up and running. You should be able to add products to cart and confirm your payment. Let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.